Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I got some happy mail. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and hop into it. You know how I do all the other little spills? Be like, hey guys, welcome to... No, we're gonna go ahead and hop into this because this is so cute because I want to see what's inside of it. So Marlene from SNOWGARDNER307, and then also you have Shannon from 307 Designs. They work partnership with this and they did this together. So Marlene reached out to me. She sent me a book and it's of Miss Georgette, and ain't she sassy? Georgette sassy. Oh my gosh. So they sent this to me and I got to get first gifts on this book. So I am, like I said, I'm not good with unboxing because I kept filling the package and I kept doing all this extra mess. And I was just like, I just messaged her. She said it was okay for me to peek and look. So, but I did good. As long as I saw the cover, I was fine. But I did good with not going through it. So we're going to go through it together. So this is going to be the first time I'm looking at it too with you guys. So let's go ahead. Let's get started. Okay, so it says a little letter here is everything. So it says, it's time. I am so excited to share the next Georgette and Fred Jr. book with you. You are one of the first to receive my new Savings Challenge book, The Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. So like I told you before, this was a partnership between Shannon, she's at 307 Design Studios, and Marlene from SNOWGARDNER307. All right, so they worked together to create this fun 14-page double-sided low-income savings challenge book. I love it, low income, because things are tight, things are pretty much struggle bus, and you know, we need those low-income savings challenges too. So this book includes 14 scratch-off challenges and 12 other fun games and challenges that were all professionally printed. And you can tell by the pages, these things, the pages are just, yeah, quality, screams it. Okay, I want to ensure this book could be utilized by all budgeters, so I kept all challenges to single digits amounts. Get it, Marlene. Okay, so this book also includes an A5 zipperless cash envelope with a 307 Design Studio sticker. If you want a dashboard or 27, you can head over to her Ko-fi for free dashboards. All right, and then we have the link here for her dashboards, and then she has listed all of the challenges on the back. So if you need help kind of figuring out what each challenge is for, you got it on the back right there. Girl, that is smart, Marlene. Okay, so in the end, I hope you love your savings challenge book and can't wait to hear what you think. Thank you all for your support. Hugs and smiles. Sending hugs back, Marlene. Okay, let's hop into it. Okay, all right, so The Life of the Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. And this is the cute little zipperless envelope. Look at that. I love some A5 big envelopes. All right, let me make sure I'm zoned and zoomed in here so you guys can see. All right, so, okay, so it's time to save money with Georgette and Fred Jr. The last time we saw Georgette, she was working on her overspending habits and she spent less and saved more. She discovered she loved collecting memories instead. So Georgette's favorite thing to do is travel. And you can use this book for other things too. That's what the way that it looks like it's set up. If you're saving for something else other than travel, you can pretty much use this. So it's not just for travel. But Fred Jr. reminded her she needs to save before she can jet set around. I know that's right. You gonna save, sugar. Join Georgette as she saves for her dream travel adventures. While this book may be travel themed, oh, here we go. Georgette wants to remind you that you can save for any experience that you want. I ain't even read this. See, I told you, you can see it's for everything. This can be as simple as the day at a water park with your family or a dinner with your favorite person or an amazing vacation. Happy savings. Okay. See? Y'all see? I caught on like that. All right, so save. This right here, you save $20 savings challenge. $40 savings challenge with bonus multipliers. Now look at that camel. Oh my goodness. Okay, so next we have build your pyramid one stone at a time. 3 ways to save. Roll a dice or a 2 to decide how much you will save for each stone in the pyramid. 2, you pick a random amount for each stone. 3, you set the same dollar amount for each stone. It always seems impossible until it's done. It sure enough do. All right, so this one, oh look, pizza. Mystery Savings Challenge. So basically, you're just scratching. Oh, and then you can just use your cute, oh yeah, if you have a scratcher tool, you can go to town on this book. Pizza Mystery Savings Challenge. That is so cute. Oh, look, pizza on the back too. So give me a slice. $75 challenge. So we have, this gives you the increments and the amount. So this pizza, cheesy, drippy pizza is $3. The half a slice, this is more of, I want to get half pepperoni, half cheese. That's $3. And this is the full works. That's $5. And then the whole slice is $7. This is my type of cheese pizza. All the toppings. Okay, so dive down under. So this is Under the Sea. Marlene. I know y'all probably like, what is she yelling for? All right, dive down under. $40 savings challenge 1 through 7. So this will be the amount of $1 through $7. Yeah, I can do. Oh, that is so cute. I like how she switches the scratch offs. Oh, y'all know I love some word searches. Find the word savings challenge, each word, and you put how much each word is, and then you totally save. Let me see if I can find one real quick. Find one. Do, 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 do. Y'all, I can't find one. Oh, look. Wait a minute. Got it. Crocodiles. Crocodiles. Right here. Crocodiles. $1,000 for each word. Just joking. I'm not doing $1,000. Okay, so next we have relaxation. Look at your girl on the beach. And then she got the tiger. Wow. All right, so relaxation. So $80 savings challenge. So this savings challenge, you will be able to save $80. This book is so cute. And look at the pages. Super quality. All right, so relax and roll. Relax, don't overthink it. This challenge is just as simple as rolling a die and saving money. If you save the amount shown on every die, the challenge total is $121. If that's too much, set your own amounts. I know that's right. So you can set your amounts. Look at the sunset here. That's super cute. Okay, ooh la la. $50 savings challenge. She gets me every time. Why is she sitting like that? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. So this savings challenge, you'll save $50. That's a beautiful background. And for the love of French food, so each picture, you put what you want saved for each colored picture. Oh, look at candy bar. All right, so the next one we have, My Heart is in the Highlands, $25 savings challenge with a bonus. So I guess you'll save $25 and there's a bonus amount in here. Outfit is off the chain. Like I said, Georgette be styling. Next we have, this is a simple saving. This is a simple dice challenge. All you do is roll the dice and save the amount on the dice. After you have rolled a die, make sure you color it in. So this is for $125 that you will save. And then look at this. Das beste oder nicht. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. Did I say that wrong? Beste oder nicht. Oder nicht. Y'all, I can't speak that. The best or nothing. 50 savings challenge. Y'all laugh at me when I say WOTA, so there ain't no way. If I can't say WOTA, I can't do that. But this is so cute. So you save $50. All right, so fun. Oh, that's German. All right, so $50 savings challenge. So the hat is $5. The pretzel is $1. The beer is $2. And the cuckoo clock, I guess that's a cuckoo clock, is $5. All right, Bits and Bob's Mystery Challenge. You say $3 to $8. Yo, Georgette is living her best life. I'm about to call Georgette up and be like, you ready to go on vacation? I'm with you. So if you want to exchange cards, you can exchange up to 4 cards. So you can only do this one time, save the amount for the poker hand. I don't know how to play poker, so I've never played poker before. As listed below, or set your own amounts. Didn't make a hand, try again. So you write the dollar amounts of the poker hand in the playing cards below. And these are all of your options. Okay, so the heels are alive. So $75 savings challenge. This is too cute. Really is. Oh, look, cheese. I love some cheese. Cheesy color rolls and scratch. So you get the best of 3 different types of savings challenges built into one fun cheesy challenge. Color the cheese wedges, scratch and cheese. Scratch the cheese, scratch and cheese. I'm talking about scratch and dent. Okay, scratch the cheese, roll in rounds, and roll a die or 2 for the cheese slices. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Y'all don't laugh at me. 𝗗𝗜𝗦𝗧𝗓. Somebody help me. I bet y'all was like, girl, don't even try it. So that was a bird in the hand is better than 100 in the air. So this is a $55 savings challenge with bonus and multipliers. Look at that fan. All right, so tapas time. Roll a die or 2 or 3 to pay for each tapa. Save the amount you roll and write it in a box. Wow. All right, so next is the mystery challenge. So we got save $1 through $9. Oh, she the female Thor now. Look at her. She's so cute. All right, so Viking. See, I told you it was kind of like something like round Thor. The Viking race. Roll a die to roll the Viking ship across the ocean. Save the amount rolled on the die or save. They took a lot. Like this took a lot of thought process for this. Like when they went in with creating the savings challenge, they did. This is like creative. For each roll, mark this circle to show the ship's progress once a ship is across the ocean. Scratch off the bonus sticker. What? Okay, the city never sleeps. That never sleeps. That's got to be New York. Yep. Look at our shirt. I remember when we got a hot dog from one of those carts. It was like the best ever, and it didn't even have chili on it and cheese. So you save $35, so it's between $2 to $6. And then apple picking, $40 savings challenge. So each basket is $5. Oh, that's super cool. All right, so world traveler status. Our story has come to an end, but don't worry, Georgette and Fred Jr. have collected so many memories. Along the way, the friends enjoy wonderful meals. Oh, yes, we did. Experience new adventures and meet new friends. They are both so happy that Georgette learned to change her budgeting ways. Stay tuned for more adventures in Georgette and Fred Jr.'s friendship and life journey. Wow. Oh, look at your girl. So, y'all, that is it. And then there is a code that she has, memories. It's 15% off. And all of the information will be in the description box below for you guys if you want to order this. So hop over there and check Miss Marlene out. And then also you can check Miss Shannon out too. So thank you guys. Let me know what you think about this book for. This thing is super cute. Let me know what you think about this book. And then until next time, guys, thank you, Marlene and Shannon. Y'all have a great day. Peace.